There's 20 bays in this shop. There's 20 cars in here at a time. You know what you don't see? A single Toyota. The longest lasting cars on the road. People ask all the time, what car have you not seen in 10 years? Probably a 92 Corolla. It's not because they're in the junkyard. It's because they're on the road. Toyota recently put out a meme making fun of old Corolla owners. They said, Toyota has told you it's time to buy a new car. It's been a quarter of a century. The reality is, every other car manufacturer on the planet machines an engine to 1,000th of an inch, but Toyota, they machine their engine to a 10,000th of an inch. Old engines fail. New engines get destroyed. Take care of yours, it won't get destroyed. At Autotek, we're going to take care of it. Maybe you're going to spend a decade and only do oil changes. I tell Toyota owners in the first 10 years, you'll see me for oil changes, maybe some tires, maybe one time for some brake pads, but beyond that, we're really not going to see you much. So if you don't want to be here, you don't got to listen to the new BMW commercial that says go 21,000 miles between oil changes. That's scary. You need to buy a reliable Toyota, take care of the oil maintenance services on it, and drive it for a quarter of a century. Now, did you know that the Lexus RX, the fancy Toyota, was recently named the most reliable retiree automobile ever made? Why? It's going to last longer than you're going to live.